Greetings to each and every one of you. Tonight, this is going to be a very exciting segment. I'm going to show you and walk you through how to create a Binance account. Now, Binance is a prominent exchange, okay, in the world, and they have already expanded in most of the country. Their HQ is in Malta, but they have already expanded in all over country. And today, so many different country, right, can basically have access to Binance account or Binance. Okay, you can create your own Binance account and you can basically be trading, okay, thousands of cryptocurrencies in these exchanges. All right, even you have a P2P services whereby you can actually buy crypto. Can you see that? You can actually buy crypto. If I'm in Malaysia, I can actually buy cryptocurrencies, okay, by using the banks, which is basically a peer-to-peer transactions. I can even use a credit card or debit card to purchase cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so on. So there is a fantastic features in this platform, and I'm going to quickly walk you through, all right, how you can basically register, get yourself verified so that your account is ready, okay, ready, and you can start to use the Binance account. Now, the first thing you need to do is click register. Now, make sure that you use the link, okay, that is actually indicated below the description of this video, and you will enjoy 5%, okay, 5% bonuses for every trade that you're going to actually perform. You are going to enjoy about 5% bonuses that will be given to you for free. All right, so do use my link at the bottom of the description of this video, and what you need to do once you have clicked my link, you will then straight away come into the registration page. Now, at the registration page here, you can choose whether you want to create an account using email or mobile. I would prefer to go for an email, right? So let me just go for the email, and thereafter you can actually key in the password. Okay, I'm going to do live. Okay, this is your referral ID, and once this is done, you can basically create an account. Now, all that you need to do here is just slide this puzzle and match it, and thereafter you will receive an email. Get back to your email. Okay, over here I have this email, and there is a confirm your registration code. This is the activation code. Copy this and paste it over here, and that is it. Okay, it's successful, and now you are already in your Binance account. Okay, but don't stop there. We have to proceed to the next stage. To proceed to the next stage, what you need to do is to click go to the dashboard. Okay, click go to the dashboard, and there will be a prompt. Okay, and this is a prompt over here. It will basically request you to perform security. Either you can do it via phone, okay, using your phone, or you can use Google verification. For tonight purpose, let's use a Google verification. All right, so once you have clicked that, here is a step by step. All right, you have to download the app. So what you need to do, get back, okay, go back to your phone and go into the App Store or even the Play Store, and what you need to do is look for Google Authenticator and download the Google Authenticator app. If you already have the app, don't worry about it. I will show you what to do. Now, you don't have to use, okay, you don't have to use this App Store or Google Play. Get straight into your phone. Okay, it's always good to have your phone and your device separately so that you can scan the QR code every time you are logging into your account. So once you have already downloaded, click next, and here you have the QR code over here. So what you need to do is to basically make sure you scan this QR code. Okay, scan this QR code, and let me just quickly do that. I have my Google Authenticator here. All right, let me just create a new Google Authenticator, and I'm going to scan. So that is it. So I have my second. Can you see that? That is basically the Google Authenticator that I've done here under my second Binance account, and that's basically you can have as many, okay, multiple number of Google Authenticator being added. There is a add button over here. You can just click the add button and scan, and more account will be created. Okay, now then we click next. Let's click next over here. All right, over here what you need to do is to generate an email verification code. Okay, to generate an email verification code, just click, okay, click to get code and get to your email. All right, to your inbox. Here you will have the code. Can you see that? So click this code, Now these are layers of security, alright? These are important layers of security and verification, and I think this is so important. Now let's paste it over here, and now I need my Google verification. Let's get back to the Google verification, and let me take this number. Now can you see that there's a clock over here, and this is about 30 seconds. Okay, 30 seconds. So this is the number over here. I'm going to copy this number and paste it over here. Alright, that is it. So submit. Okay, upon submission, now I have already created and basically have my Google Authenticator verified. Now the next process is to get your account verified. Okay, so how do you do that? Now the first thing you need to do, get to this icon over here, right? You can see the icon over here, the menu over here. And in this icon, you will see that this account is unverified. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is get to the identification section. Alright, identification section, and click the identification section over here. Now at this identification section, you will see these are the steps of the verification that is required, the identity verification required. The first identification verification is your personal detail. Alright, now you have to click verify, and here there is a detail. Okay, step by step, what you need to do first is they need your basic information, your first and your last name, your date of birth, and the residential address. Now make sure, right, make sure you follow exactly as the document that you want to use. If you want to use passport, make sure you follow exactly as the passport name, the last name, date of birth, residential address. If you are using your national ID, make sure you follow exactly as the national ID, alright? And thereafter, they may even want you to do an identification and facial verification. This is where you need to upload a photo of your ID and take a picture of yourself to verify your identity, alright? Now, so make sure you prepare all this information, okay? And then you click start, and that's where you then follow through the whole information that is required, okay? So make sure you prepare the document such as your national ID, and also basically a picture of yourself, so that you can then complete this whole process. Now once you have done that, next process will be the address verification. Now this is where you need probably the utility bills or any kind of valid bill from a reliable source in order for you to verify, and make sure this is the latest, okay, the most latest reliable source that you have, or the bill or the utility bill that you have. Now once the whole verification is completed, okay, you will receive an email from Binance notifying you that your verification is completed, and thereafter you can actually proceed. Okay, you can already proceed to trade. But before that, there's probably just one more thing, okay, just one last thing. Go into security. Alright, in this security, I would basically advise you probably enable your anti-phishing code. Now this is important, okay, and by setting up this anti-phishing code, you will be able to tell if your notification emails are coming from Binance or the phishing attempts. Okay, so enable this. Now over here, right, what you need to do is to create your own code. Okay, create your own code. So let's say, for example, I want to create my own code. Alright, so this is, let's say for example, this is my code. So every time I receive a notification from Binance, this code, okay, will be added, okay, into that notification, so that I know that this is from an authentic, okay, source, which is Binance. Okay, so in this manner, all right, you are basically secured, and you know that you are protected, and every email or notification that is coming in, you can verify it. So now you can submit. Alright, well, all that you need to do is to verify. Okay, so I need to get back to my authenticator over here, and I need to verify. I got about 8 seconds over here. Okay, 2 seconds. Let me just wait. Okay, that is it. Let me copy this and paste it over here. Okay, that is it. Okay, so now my account is basically, okay, verified, and my account security is ready. And now you can basically, okay, let me just quickly run through some important things that you might need to want to know very, very quickly. Now this is your wallet. This is the most important. This is your wallet. You can basically click the fiat and the spot over here to look into the detail of all the assets that you have over here. So at this moment, this account is empty, alright? It's still new, so there is no assets over here. So if you want to deposit, okay, you can basically click the deposit button, and over here you can select, okay, any of those assets. Okay, let's say if you select Bitcoin, there is a Bitcoin address. You can just send Bitcoin from any of your external wallet, any of your decentralized wallet. You can send, okay, Bitcoin to this address. And if you would like to basically, right, you can also get back to the wallet, and if you want to withdraw, all right, this is the withdrawal button. You can basically withdraw your Bitcoin. You can just basically define or specify the address and follow the instruction, and you can basically withdraw. Now you can also do a few other things, such as if you have Bitcoin over here, for example, you can basically trade your Bitcoin. You can even convert your Bitcoin. Okay, if you look into the conversion, you can convert your Bitcoin. Let's say you have a Bitcoin and you want to convert, okay, to USDT. All right, you can basically do the conversion over here, and it will be immediately, almost instant, okay, being converted, and you can then use the USDT for whatever purpose. Okay, so I hope, all right, I hope this session is helpful, and this walkthrough is helpful, that you can actually use, okay, and start to create your own account with Binance. Okay, now Binance is such an exciting platform. I love this platform. I trade a lot in this platform. All right, so I hope that you will look into this platform and use, okay, and use this advantage, get into this platform, and you can start to learn, start to get acquaintance with this platform, so that you know how to use this platform. One of the wonderful thing about this platform is that, especially like me, I'm in Malaysia, I can basically buy crypto. Alright, you can see over here, I can buy crypto. There is a P2P, whereby I can buy from anyone, okay, anyone. If I would click over here, P2P, I can actually see anyone posting, okay. These are people who are basically wanting to buy, okay, wanting to sell, and you can basically buy if you want to. If I want to buy Bitcoin, all right, I can actually click Bitcoin, and I can see who is basically selling Bitcoin in Malaysia, and I can basically buy with them. If I want to sell my Bitcoin, then I can actually post, okay, I can post my Bitcoin over here, the amount that I want to sell, and there will be people who actually, all right, come into this platform, and they will be connecting directly with me and buy Bitcoin and so on. All right, so I hope, okay, this quick walkthrough, okay, will be very, very helpful. Start to create your own wallet and experience, okay, and walk through this whole experience, okay, and enjoy this whole experience. Okay, so with that, thank you so much. God bless each and every one of you.